Welcome to Volatility 411 for Equity Armor Investments. I'm Joe Tigay. Let's jump right into it. We're seeing a lot of moves in the market so far today. Of course, this morning it was on the low, down 1% after a hot CPI data came out. The number was expected to be hot. It came out hotter than expected. And as it rallied back to maybe the market was saying all that was expected. It's hard to really tell, but as volatility increased, as the market was on the low, the VIX was up above 20. It came back all the way down to 20, and now, as I'm finally recording this video, we have the VIX at 21, and the market is down 30 bips in the S&P 500. The Nasdaq's faring a little bit worse. Now, having said that, we're watching the VIX. I mentioned it was at 22 on the high this morning. We're starting to see some lower highs in the VIX. Maybe that's a sign that the market's kind of settling into a range. And speaking of the market and ranges, I'll be watching some key levels in the S&P 500. I'm watching the 4580 area. That was an area that was resistance last week. If it can get above there, maybe we can see some room to the upside. The Nasdaq, for its part, is having a lot of trouble with the 200-day moving average. We can't quite get above that 15,000 area. Again, if we can get above there, maybe there's some room to run to the upside. Now, what is causing this range on the market? Maybe some fear is coming out, certainly with the lower highs in the VIX. We got the Omicron situation settling down. Maybe people are looking at the Russia-Ukraine situation a little bit differently today. And we're really just going to be keyed in on the Fed. And while we are keyed in on the Fed, that's still, not till the end of March. So in the time being, maybe there's a few moves back and forth. We're not going to see the big moves like we saw in January. Now, there's lots of uncertainties what the Fed's going to do. How quickly are they going to be raising? Is it going to be a 50 basis point cut? Are they going to be at 1% by June, as some people are saying? So there's a lot of uncertainty. Of course, there's the tapering. How quickly are they going to taper? Is it all off? So this is going to be, there's a lot of uncertainties, a lot of unknowns, and it's going to be a catalyst for some movement in the market. And while we're settling in here, it should really be interesting to see. For Equity Armor Investments, I'm Joe Tigay.